Bibi, Emma. Nay. Guys, ready na sana kaming umalis. Kaso, urot among ligid. Naplat. Good day sa inyo tanan guys, and welcome to another episode of our travel vlog. Now, kami since summer break karon, no, pamanay na po ng summer. Me and my family, along with our parents, no, kabansa ko mga igsuon, akong mga pamangkon, have decided, no, to enjoy this summer break to travel padulong dito sa Kapatagan, Davao del Sur. So hopefully you'll stick towards the end of the video guys, and enjoy the video. So, among original na destination guys is Camp Sabros. But before reaching there, no, namahaw usa kami. So, naanami karon sa may Digo City. This is actually more than 50 kilometers away from Davao City. So, MERS is actually very famous for sa ilang bibingka, mga native delicacies, pero among tuyo diri guys is pamahaw gyud. So namahaw sa kami diari aron busog mi o full mi bag-o mi moadto sa may Camp Sabros. Grabe katakam. So, thank you very much, no, MERS and Native Delicacies and Food Restaurant for that wonderful and makabusog kayong pamahaw. So, at this point, guys, no, so human na magpamahaw, we are getting ready na padulong na mi karon sa may Camp Sabros. So, sa mga wala na side, guys, no, sa Camp Sabros, kaning gikan diri sa may Digo City, yun na proper, sa may MERS, kung asa mi karon. Ang biyahe ani, guys, medyo challenging na. Kay ang tanang biyahe ani guys, taila man gud siya sa Mount Apo, no? So pasaka na tanan ng biyahe ani padulong dito mismo sa kung asa may gusto maadto dito sa may Camp Sabros. So matest karon kaning amo ang bubwet ng gagmay nga sakyanan na espresso kung makasugakod ba ni pagpasaka padulong dito sa may Camp Sabros. By the way guys, this is actually our first, no, na very steep and uphill na biyahe straight no padulong dito. It's still gonna be almost 30 kilometers away pa from this point, no, kung asa mi karon. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. So, naabot ra jud mi guys no sa Camp Sabros. Grabe, the uphill ride guys is real. Pero sugakod man si espresso. Anyway guys, no, sa wa na sayod, Camp Sabros is actually very well known adventure getaway diri sa Mindanao. First because of its location na naa siya nabutang, no, sa country's tallest mount, ang Mount Apo. Aside from this, daghan po kay silang adventure na mga activities sama sa ilang zipline rides, horseback riding, mga shooting range, ug uban pa. Bale, ang entrance fee namo diri guys is 100 pesos per adult. Wala mi nabayaran sa mga bata. Maybe because 4 years old pa sila pababa. Most likely, may bayad na 5 years old pataas with a discount. So, diri guys, so grabe kabugnaw sa lugar. Chill kayo ang place. napalibutan og grabihan ka mga lush greeneries ug tag-as kaayo ng mga punuan and pine trees. Relaxing po kayo ang place guys, no? Kita kay ninyo ang panoramic view sa Mount Apo. Tibay pud kaayog mga restaurant diri guys. Mala western old English style ang design and feel. Pero wa na mi katilaw so di ko kahatag og review sa ila pagkaon kay busog man mi daan bag-o mi nanganhi. It was a blast, no? A memorable experience for a family ang makalaag diri sa Kapatagan uphill sa Digo City. So guys, no, after a few hours of liwaliw namo and patagbaw namo diri sa Camp Sabros, we are off now to our next destination where we book an overnight stay. It is actually a 6 to 7 kilometers ride from Camp Sabros, ang ACJD Durian Farm Resort. So, bali guys, so dili pud lalim ang dala namo nagyagian padulong diri. Kay aside sa dili sementado, one way siya na off-road ug madi ang dalan. Tungod permi gaulan ug humid jud ang place. Puslan man, ngita mig adventure. So, dasok na mi ani. But this trip actually sealed it in the books for a Suzuki Espresso. Not only does it conquer the never-ending uphill trip with ease padulong Camp Sabros, it also trek a no-sweat, no, loaded pamiani ang lapukan na one-way road padung ACJD. Ipamatud-an lang jud sa Suzuki Espresso, no, na kaya niya mag-off-road with its stock wheels and stock na engine. So, mauni ila mga amenities guys, no? You can post it if you want to know unsay kalingawan nila diri. Bali, since overnight mi diri guys, wala namin ni bayaran na entrance fee. Ang room namo nagikuha is actually good for 4. Gi-secure lang namo ang akong parents and ang mga bata. The room cost us at 2,500 pesos. Very cozy na pud kaayo ang place. We also rented a kubo with its tables and chairs na duol na daan sa ilang ice cold. Grabe kabugnaw nga swimming pool. And that was all for only 300 pesos. Good for 10 packs na. Their Wi-Fi is okay. Unstable siya sa sulod sa room. Pero sa kubo, goods na siya. I was able to work on my graveyard shift. Yes guys, nag-duty ko sa gabi eh. Immortal ni. Napgamay sa buntag, drive dayon sa udto pa uli. Anyway guys, all I can say is that if you're into adventure but relaxing, foggy, chilling experience, ice cold swimming pool, then ACJD Farm Resort is the place for you. Char, baka naman, ACJD. So, we are now at the end of our trip. Pero feeling climactic na mitanan kay medyo bitin pa ang getaway. Getaway na ni sa amo. So, we squeeze everything we can to enjoy this day. So, finally, this is now the final Madi adventure na jud ni Suzuki Espresso. Ani nga trip guys, no, makapahulay na jud siya pag uli. Anyway, overall guys, it was a wonderful and a memorable experience for me and our family. These are those special moments that I'm grateful of my social media channel to have these memories preserved over time. I mean, When you're down and struggling in life, it's refreshing and strengthening to look back and reminisce on these experiences we had with our family. I hope you guys watching this did enjoy as much as we did. And click the like button and subscribe na pod mo sa channel. So thank you for watching and a bright and wonderful day to you guys. Salamat and see you on our next vlog. Bye!